Morning, everyone. Today is lesson number 33. You can do a screen scraping using the web classes in the Python. Okay. Okay, let's go to that and take a look at it. I create a web class. Okay. Instead of using the function and doing things like that, which is they call a procedural programming. Right now, people are like doing web and using classes and objects. So, all right. So, create a web classes. First of all, import a bunch of library here. You have a beautiful soup and IE utility library and import it. And now web classes, you just create a constructor. That's the easy one. And usually you can have a static method or a class method. Okay. Most of it use is static. Once in a while I use a class object. So, all right, this one just can print the URL, and you use a try, accept, and finally. All right, just try to open the google.com and by use this library URL library.request.url open, and you just want to read it, and you get an error. It's just gonna print an error. Okay, so it does. Number one, it's gonna print the HTML format from the Google web page. Look, you just look at it. It's quite long. Look at it. You look at it. You get a bunch of HTML. You can they call screen scraping. You can take this. Look at that. This is what you see here when you do a Google.com, and this is what the HTML in the Google.com show you. Okay, instead of if you copy this and you paste it and you put in into the HTML text file, and then you're gonna run it. You're gonna see this exactly what you see here in the Google home pages. Look at that. Maybe next time I can copy this if I remember. Copy this and put in the HTML file, and then you're just gonna see it like that. Okay. All right. Number one is done. Let's go to number two. You're gonna bring a person, and you're gonna post it. You use HTML function URL post. You're gonna post from this python.org. You're gonna print it. What it look like. You're just gonna print post result. HTTP schemas, HTTPS, net location is this, the path is blank, parameter is blank, query is blank, fragment is blank, which is fine. But some reason why they have this query for you. And again, you can supply this parameter. Okay, so that's what it does. Okay, you can post it and then you can print it. This is post, and this is unpost. Okay, you see that, unpost. This is post and post. That's all. Very simple. All right, number three. Try to find an error, which is nice. Let's say you try to capture error, right? In case something going on. Say you try to create a bogus request, right? Search queue go test, and then you instead of make a correct syntax, you have a space in between here, and when you try to do a read, it's gonna get exception. It's gonna say, I can can contain control character found a list of blank space. So this exception here telling you that oops, you try me to read this dot website, but you have a space in between, and I can understand. So it throw you exception right here. Okay. All right. Number four. Number four here, you use a beautiful soup. there's another object or another classes somebody created, and you just use it, which is nice about it. And I just bring it as, okay, this is what the command, I send it to object, and what this does is going to convert into HTML format for you. Okay, once you get the object from this, you just gonna say prettify. Gonna take whatever the value from here and throw into this format. See that? Which is nice. You know, get a paragraph, have a bold, and have italic, and paragraph. Versus just this, and they don't have a correct format either. See that? The nice thing about Visual Soup is you throw a bunch of garbage in here, and this thing know how to convert into a nice HTML format for you. Okay, you guys who don't know how to learn HTML, you should learn about it. You know, this is the HTML format. You have italic, a bold, and a paragraph. Okay, and watch out for this one. This is the new version of Python 3.9. You have to have this parameters called feature equal HTML parser to make it come out correctly. If you omit it, it's gonna throw you exception error for you. Okay. Another one example for that. Let's say this is the XML format. Okay, you don't know XML format. Learn about it. What it does is just put a syntax in a XML format, but it's like you're missing some information here, and Beautiful Soup gonna convert it and make it look pretty for you. See that? You take that and convert it into the XML version and the encode, and it get a nice format tag, and you have tag, which is nice. This is format XML. Okay. But remember, you just have to put a feature equal XML, this one feature equal HTML parser. That's all. All right. What else do we need to do? I think that's it. Let's conclude the lesson for doing what they call screen scraping. Okay. There's a bunch of function and classes out there. This is just one of this example. I like it, and I want to show to you guys how to use it. Okay. Hope you enjoy it, and see you guys next time. Bye.